Good day, respected teachers, parents, and community members. It is an honor to be speaking with you today about something at the heart of education, the future of our students and our curriculum. In today's rapidly evolving world, education must keep pace to ensure our students develop the skills and knowledge they need to succeed in life. Today, I will explain the changes we are making in our curriculum, why these changes are essential, how we design them, and the new methods we'll use to deliver them. I hope this address will provide a clear understanding of our direction and encourage your support in the vital transformation. So, in curriculum and planning design, our curriculum planning process has been a collaborative effort involving teachers, educations, experts, and valuable feedback from our community. This collaboration ensures that the curriculum we design is academically rigorous, student-centered, and aligned with the current educational standards. There are three key areas we focus in our redesign. Number one is holistic development. We believe education should nurture not just academic skills but also in social and emotional growth. This means teaching students resilience, empathy, and self-awareness. These life skills are just as important as math, science, or literature in preparing them for the future. Um, and the second one is the 21st century skills. Our curriculum emphasizes critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication. Skills are that are essential in the workforce and society today. These skills will enable our students to be problem solvers, innovators, and leaders. So the number three is the theoretical framework. Our curriculum is informed by constructivist learning principles. Instead of simply receiving information, students will actively engage their learning, exploring ideas, asking questions, and drawing their own conclusions. This approach makes learning more meaningful and long lasting. So, in approaches to curriculum de- delivery, to deliver this new curriculum effectively, um, we are adapting modern instructional methods that cater to every student's and unique learning style. Um, they are the differentiated instruction where so we will personalize learning experiences so that all students, whether they are visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learners, can grasp concepts effectively. This ensures no student is left behind. So, technology integration. Um, so in technology integration, I can use of technology will make learning more interactive and engaging. In digital tools and online resources will allow students to work at their own pace and access variety of uh, learning. Oh yeah, then uh, this approach also helps teachers track student progress more accurately accurately. So in formative assessment, so traditional testing methods are no longer enough. We will focus on ongoing formative assessment, which provide continuous feedback to both teachers and students. This helps us identify learning gaps early and adjust instruction to meet individuals' needs. So, in engaging with the stakeholders, so curriculum transformation is a community effort. So it doesn't it doesn't end in the classroom. It extends to homes and the broader community. So in parental support, so parents play a critical role in reinforcing what students learn at school. So simple actions like discussing what they learned during the day or encouraging curiosity can make a big difference. In teacher collaboration, so our teachers will work together closely to share strategies, learn from our another, and refine their teaching practices to ensure consistent delivery of this new curriculum. In the community involvement, so we have the community involvement. So we invite community partners to provide additional resources and learning opportunities for our students, such as career talks or real world project opportunities. So to ensure our curriculum remains effective and relevant, we are also committed to continuous feedback loop. So we welcome ongoing feedback from teachers, parents, and students to help us evaluate and improve the curriculum over time. So in conclusion, our redesigned curriculum is built to empower students with the critical skills they need to succeed academically, socially, and emotionally in a world that is constantly changing. But to make this success, we need your support together as a united community. We can create an educational environment that nurtures every student's potential. Let us invest in their future and ensure that they are prepared not just for academic success but for life as truthful, responsible members of society. So I look forward to working with all of you on this journey toward a brighter future for our students, and thank you.